He landed that. He just... Oh, yeah. Hands down. I like this guy. What? He can do 90 degrees, 180. Now he sees me. Now he sees you. And me. And you. It's all... I guess a somersault. Half a somersault. Right here. All day. You saw it.
Wo fährst du hin? So, und dann Drehung. Hier das Verstärken, dann gibt ihr diesen Turbo-Boost hier. Sprungdrehung, das ist eine gefährliche Sache. Ich probiere es hier mal aus. Das Teil wird Springgeräusche machen. Aha. Können ja so ein Orchester starten.
To advance with the mini drone, hold the slider with your left thumb. You can see that Max is much faster than Buzz.
We're now going to learn how to pilot your Parrot swing in stationary flight. The Parrot swing can at any point change from quadricopter mode to plane mode. Push this button to switch to quad mode. Push again to land the drone.